Here are the solutions for this quiz. It says to find the equation of the line containing the following points. The first one, we have a 3, 272, 9, 2498. So our equation should look like this. Y equals mx plus b, and then we need to find m and we need to find b. So let's find those. So m is going to equal to, the formula for m is a difference in y's divided by the difference in the x's. Oops. The order doesn't matter as long as you're consistent, but I think I've put x2 and y2 first, so let's stay with that. So I'm going to label this as x1, y1, x2, y2. So our y2 is 2498 and our y1 is 272. We'll divide that by 9 minus 3. Alright, so let's figure that out. We got 2498 minus 272. So I got 2226 in the numerator, and 9 minus 3 is 6. So let's take that and divide by 6. At 371. So that's m. Now we want to find b. Let me put a box around here. Now we want to find b, and so we'll go back and use this equation, y equals mx plus b. Let's see if we can do this off to the side here. And what we'll do is we'll put in a value for y, a value for m, a value for x, and then b is going to be the thing that we're going to solve for. So the value for y that we'll choose, we can choose either of these points. I'll choose 272 is equal to m. We got that to be 371, and x, we'll choose 3. And then if we work this out and solve for b, we should get our answer. So let's multiply 371 times 3. That's 1113. We get 272 minus 1113. Oh, that's equals to. And then if I subtract both sides by this, I will get b, and 272 minus 1113 is negative 841. So that's my b. Now that I have my m and my b, I go back to my equation and write out my final answer. So y is equal to m times x plus b, and I could have, well, just erase that plus negative and just put a minus sign. So y is equal to 371 x minus 841, and so that's our answer for the first one. So the second one, we can think about it as doing the same process, and we just have to be careful with our negative signs. Alright, let's see if we can get this done. Our m is equal to the difference in the y's, so I'm going to put that here to clear everything. I'll use 40, negative 40, and when you use negative in your TI-83 or 84, make sure you use the negative sign. 40 minus 15 So we got negative 40 minus 15 divided by negative 610 minus negative 490. Got minus 55 in the numerator. I have a minus 160 minus negative 490. And I get a positive 330. So I don't know if this will reduce. It looks like it might reduce. Let's see, negative 55 divided by 330. Well, I guess we'll get a fraction out of this. This is like 2/3 or something like that. Let's keep that decimal there. So let's go 1, 6, and then it goes on forever. So let's round off to the nearest 3 digits. Okay, now we have our m. We need to find our y-intercept. So we'll do that. Y equals m x plus b again, and for y we'll choose either one of these. It doesn't matter which one, so I'll choose the second one this time. The y value is negative 40. Oops, the m is negative 0.167. The x is negative 610 plus b, and b is what we're solving for. So I need to multiply this number times negative 610. We got 101.6667 positive. And then we'll subtract this on both sides. And then I'll get b on one side, and that's equal to this number. Oops, yeah, subtract. So I need negative 40 minus 101.667, and I get 141.667 negative. So that's my b. I got my m and my b, so my line y is equal to m x plus b. Again, it's a negative, so let's just take this plus minus business out and just make it a negative 141.667. Okay, so that is your equation of the line.